Chavre, we're standing out here by the ArtScroll Koilel, the ArtScroll Yeshiva, the ArtScroll headquarters in Rahway, New Jersey. Wie jeder weiß, du a große Sale for the heimische Oilem jetzt. So we came to see wer steht hinter dem. Who's behind this massive ArtScroll headquarters, Yeshiva, Koilel.
Shalom Aleichem, Chaim.
Shalom Aleichem, Abshia.
Welcome.
Wow, we finally made it here. Dit is a große Sale for the heimische Oilem. Aber gesucht, wir müssen rückkommen zu der ArtScroll headquarters zu sehen, who is behind this massive teure empire.
He was behind this entire massive empire.
Wow, he's the famous Rabbi Zlotowitz. Wow, unbelievable. Shrecha. Okay, wow. So we're walking into the factory. Unreal. So Shia, what goes on in this place?
All right, so right here you'll see from printing through finished books. Beginning of printing through finished books.
From A to Z.
From A to Z. But the darfst wissen, als du a sach before A. The schreiben, the machen des Forum, schreiben des Forum.
Das ist ein Koilel, das ist ein Yeshiva.
A Koilel Yeshiva, absolutely.
Das heißt, tausende Schuhe gehen daran für Fahren, wir produce the actual cipher, wenn sie damit gekommen, der Abunim. Wir sitzen a ganze Tag und lehnen doch das Figures nach
in Banacht, alle teure Wallaboi.
In Banacht, alle teure Wallaboi. Du hast aber Smedisch in der Platz, wie man sitzt und lehnt?
Man sitzt und lehnt, ja. Offices mit Smedisch in a library.
Aber du machst local wherever they are.
Yeah, mostly they work from home.
They work from home.
From home,
und man schickt daran, du alles zu der Server, zu der
Right, aber man kommt daran, du arbeitet zusammen. Man nimmt sich zusammen, man trifft sich zusammen, in Shacklevetari zusammen.
Das ist Riske der Reise.
Riske der Reise, you got it.
Bis man kommt raus zu der Kloster, was man kennt.
Chaim, did you ever look at the side of a Gemara and see the different colors and paintings?
Of course.
Did you ever wonder how it's done?
I always wonder how it's done.
Okay, so take a look. Okay, let me take you through the step.
Oh my goodness. No way.
Yep. It actually goes through by hand. This is only one color.
This is red for the red ArtScroll.
This is, wait a minute, this is one color, wait. Then, okay, now we're going to the next part of it.
So you think each employee here has a different color, and then, look at this, Chavre. So this is the red, and then we go here to a
with
more
a
darker red or a purple.
Right. Yeah,
and then it moves
that's the final product.
The final product.
And here, show how it's stacked on skids.
Oh wow! Look at this, unreal, Abshia.
Here in this department, let me show you the Hebrew Sefarim.
This is the blue ArtScroll.
The blue ArtScrolls.
Wow, look how it's dabbed with the dark and the light. You never know how that works. It is amazing. Could I get to dab it too, or my hands are gonna get dirty?
You're gonna get it dirty.
I'll get my hands dirty. So what is it, a sponge? Let me see what it is.
Yeah, so this is a special dye.
Okay.
We use dyes, which is especially made for us. That is mixed, we mix it with high concentration of water. Those are sponges. Exactly. You get very dirty.
Yeah, you actually get dirty.
But these are sponges. We do it with
So
sponges.
it's a regular, simple sponge. Who came up with this?
It's that simple. This is how it's been done like a million years ago.
Who came up with this patent? Who came up with this patent over here? To dab it?
Wait, basically, everything that we do here, all production, was our own patent.
Really?
Yeah, we figured it out all by ourselves, going back many, many years, 30, 40 years.
Kevin, I just can't get enough of this. I cannot get a simple sponge. I mean, we grew up on this color. When you think of Sefarim, you think of this.
Yep.
Unreal. Simple sponge.
Do you know why?
Why?
Why is the color on Sefarim, on books?
Nutaka. To look nice in the Sefarim shine.
No, it has nothing to do with that. Because, let's say, 100, 150 years ago, maybe 200 years ago, they used to print like in Russia, they'd print, and they'd have different color papers. There were blue papers, yellow papers, different color papers. And it looked quite bad if you see the book. You look at the book and you see different colors. So they would paint it in order to give it one uniform look.
Ah, very interesting.
So Chaim, let me introduce you to something very, very exciting. This is our new custom bindery department.
Custom, you said?
Custom.
I didn't know ArtScroll was custom.
Absolutely. It's a new department, custom. You could actually order anything you want. Okay? It's leather. We work with leather. And unbelievable stamping and unbelievable. I mean, this looks like a real beautiful custom set or custom.
Oh wow! So
store.
who's the seed that runs it? Shalom Aleichem.
This is Yirmi Itzkowitz.
Yirmi Itzkowitz. Shalom Aleichem, Rabbi Yirmi.
Aleichem Shalom.
So you are, I guess, manager of this department.
I am the manager of the department. I just finished actually working on Chazon Ish in leather. So we just finished the Chazon Ish Amunah B'Tachen in regular covers. We took it and made it into a leather cover, all blind, beautiful stamping, and we personalized it to a person's name, and it's painted. It has a ribbon for marking.
This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous.
And
so let me understand again before we go into it. She introduced me to you. This is new, this concept here?
This department is open since the summer. So it's about 6 months old. Just opened up. If you turn the camera around, you'll see the stock of leather we keep.
Wow,
all
it's
different
real leather.
colors. It's cowhide, real cowhide. In fact, if you look at this table here, you'll see this is leather, this is the legs of the cow, the neck. You can see the whole cow when it opens up.
Oh my goodness.
And we cut everything by hand. We're making now machzorim, in fact, on that table, look over there. We're making machzorim for Yom Tov coming up, Pesach.
Pesach's coming up.
The stock of leather, we have all different choices and colors to choose from.
So till now, somebody wants an ArtScroll piece, an ArtScroll safer, ArtScroll sitter. They would go to the store, whatever the store had, that's what they bought.
Most of it came from Eretz Yisrael.
Oh wow.
And now ArtScroll decided that we're doing enough. We brought it in-house. And as you can see from the factory, Blian Hara, it's hustling and bustling.
But this custom-made ArtScroll is 6 months old.
Any safer the ArtScroll makes, we can actually make in leather. Okay, so as we say, we were talking about custom items. We just finished for someone a custom shas and a large shas. Has a name embossed. It has all the different mesechtes, and it has, well, we didn't finish this one, but it has the volume. Another version.
So it's a whole custom-made shas.
All custom made.
And what's interesting is we could custom print it. We could custom print the shas.
Here is a custom printed shas, custom printed on cream paper, so it's softer on the eye.
So somebody wants a cream paper, you can request that.
Anything can be reprinted on any stock as long as we have it.
Yep, as long as we have it.
Wow, this is familiar. So this is, and what's this, a velvet? What's the outside here?
Oh, so yes.
Velvet.
Suede lining.
You wanted a suede lining.
We wanted a suede lining on this. And then
the outside.
This was the cover for the Yerushalmi. And that's how it looks on the side. That's what it goes in.
Gorgeous. Wow.
And this customer actually wanted his signature on every sefer.
You got a signature on it.
On every sefer. We can also do now Daf Yomi size shasen, which we've done some samples. There's a Hebrew shas. This was an English shas where the customer wanted his logo for his initial, for his name. Okay, different colors, different styles of printing.
With the name goes on it as well. Either
name goes on, or embossed or gold. This one wanted gold.
So if somebody wants to buy his Edom Chassan Shas ArtScroll, but he wants to do with the logo on it, with the Chassan's name on it.
Not a problem. We can do it all.
Unreal. Somebody wants to buy for a company, for his employees, you can put the company logo on it.
Do it all. We do everything.
Corporate
organizations. We have here the new Zmiras from Shweki, Yaakov Shweki. We took a regular book and we made it into leather. And in fact, it has his name on it.
Yeah, it's Yaakov Shweki. Oh, you engraved the signature in each piece.
Yes, everyone, and we made some samples just to see different colors that we can offer.
Beautiful.
And these are all leather.
So before Hanukkah, we came out with the Mikaros Gedolos 5-volume set. And we have blue, dark brown, and mahogany brown, stamped either in gold or silver spine. Somebody saw it online, they loved it, they wanted a different color to match their decor or den. Somebody wanted for their shul a nice Bal Tefillah sitter, which is typical Sfard sitter, but they want it in green. So we are now in the middle of making a cover that's going to be embossed, and it's going to have nice little designs. That's one. We're also making a sitter for Ashkenaz people, a Wasserman sitter for a shul in England.
Oh wow.
It's going to match their Kodesh. We're going to make a dye specially for them. So that's still in production.
Unreal.
Anything can be made. We matched an Aron Kodesh to a yeshiva a little while ago. This was an Aron Kodesh for a new yeshiva opened up in New Jersey. And we took the design of the Aron and we recreated a die, a metal plate, to recreate the Aron Kodesh.
That's gorgeous. So the Sefarim and Yeshiva matched the Aron Kodesh.
Any shul, in fact, every shul should have, if they're buying ArtScroll Sefarim, they should make one Shliach Tziva Siddur to match the Aron Kodesh.
That's unreal. That's magnificent. That is magnificent.
This is something that needs to be done.
So what's the phone number? You know what? I'm going to put the email address right over here on the screen. If somebody wants to order custom from the leather department by ArtScroll, they're going to email this email address right here on the screen. It comes straight to
Yermia
Itzkowitz, and he's going to take care of you from A to Z.
Let's go out to the factory.
Factory.
Let's see where it all happens.
Wow, unreal. Wow, this place is massive.
This is massive, and we don't have enough room.
You're saying you're popping out of this?
Popping out of this.
But you moved from 2nd Avenue to here.
Yeah, we had, this is about twice as much footage as we had there. And it's not enough.
Still have to move further.
We have to move further.
Wow,
Okay.
Where do we start here?
So let me tell you where process starts. So the first thing we do is we start with printing. Okay? These are huge rolls of paper that are produced specially for us.
Custom-made paper.
Custom-made paper.
It comes through on a roll and it goes into the machine.
It goes loaded on the machine, and as it goes through, it prints.
This is the printer.
The printer's right here.
Right here.
There's where it happens. Okay?
Here's where it happens.
And now you see the sputum come out one at a time. See
A
how
whole
they're
safer
all
at a
set.
time.
Yep.
Kevin, look at this. Look at this, Kevin. A whole safer at a time. Wow. It stacks so nicely.
Yep. Blue and green lights means that the machine is actually running now.
The blue and green lights mean the machine is running.
Right.
Just curious, with so much machinery here, how does it not get jammed up or backups or issues?
So everything, it works with job tickets, and there's a process where
You have in-house technicians?
Oh, you mean as far as fixing the machine?
Yeah.
In-house, the company supplies us with in-house technicians.
Uh-huh.
We have constant coverage.
But these machines cost probably, I'd say, thousands of dollars.
Yeah. Yeah, and they need constant service. These are toner machines.
Wow.
So what you're going to see now is a Tanakh, I don't know, 2,000 pages or whatever this is, running through. Here, take a look over here. Here's the stack of pages.
Wow, Tanakh.
And go further. See how it runs through the sewer.
So this is the sewer. It sews
gets
it up.
folded first. It gets folded. Then it comes right over here into the sewer. It gets sewn over here.
Wow, look at that sewing machine. Wow. But it doesn't sew the whole thing at once. It sews like 20 pages at a time.
Well, about there would be about 32 pages, a boigen of 32 pages.
And it sews it
But
together.
but the dozens of such boigens, it sews it together. And over here you see a finished book.
Tanakh.
Over here, finished Tanakh. Actually, there's two up.
And it's how many boigens is this? A lot of boigens.
A lot of boigens, but let's see over here how many pages this is. It's about 1,600 pages.
1,600.
Yeah.
It took about what? A minute to make?
It's something like that.
Hi, as you can see over here, we have a beautiful bindery, the ArtScroll bindery, that 100% of everything goes through here, anywhere from a novel to a daf yomi, to a gemara, to a siddur, machzer, everything over here goes through us over here. As you can see, right now, these are sewn books. They're sewn together with regular thread.
Wow. So he showed me before, Brander, how you sew it together. And this is the next process,
This
right?
is the next process right after sewing. You see, sewing is right over here.
Right.
We have a whole bunch of sewers, and it comes right over here. Books are stacked up over here. Goes into the machine.
Look at that.
The book's gonna come through. Just to glue and cut a book goes through this machine.
Wow.
As you can see, the books are coming up here.
What was inside this? Super cool. Opa!
Let's come through.
Look at that, Hevra. Look at that. What's going on over here?
The books are getting pushed through here. It gets smashed.
Really, really tight.
Really tight. So the next process takes all the ear out of the book.
Wow.
You have a nice square flat book. Over here gets the end sheets, the front and the back of the book. When you open the book, you have
The white paper.
the white paper, yellow paper, or it could be sometimes color in different ways. Over here it goes through a two-step gluing process. Most companies do one step. We do two-step. We put like Elmer's glue, but a little much more expensive to make sure this book stays together tight. Then it moves towards
The glue is in here, right?
the glue. This is regular glue.
Wow.
And then it goes to something called a hot melt glue, a process. Down here, there's glue. There's rollers down there that encase the book nice and tight.
Wow, 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 wow.
Here we go through a drying process to make sure that glue was dried perfectly before we go to the next step, because if it's wet and we try to cut it, the book will not become straight. So every process here is thought perfectly and planned properly.
Unreal. Unreal, Hevra. So here comes glued with the paper, but not the casing yet.
Not the casing part yet. Over here we have another nipping station which presses that book, make sure everything is tight together, so when it goes through the cutting, there's no issues.
Wow. Wow. Here it comes out. Wow, this is tight.
Over here, after the book is glued, we put on a crash on top of it. All behind here is glued. That book is now nice and tight. This book now is going to go into a cutter. It's going to cut the sides and the top to the finished size.
Wow. And the extra goes under.
Yep.
Look at that, Hevra. That's crazy.
Book comes up. It gets stacked nicely.
Comes out of right here.
Comes out right there. And you can see the finished book. It's trimmed perfectly.
Amazing.
And you have your finished book that I'm holding upside down.
Wow.
This book is called, the name is Successful Relationships.
Beautiful.
As you can see over here, we're going to be going to the next step of how the books are being cased in. Over here,
One minute. What is this, Chef Yoil?
Oh, this is something that we started doing outside jobs. If anybody needs an outside job, a custom job, we have a company in-house called Custom by ArtScroll. We print anything anybody wants. We have a full binder here that could process anything from, as you can see, we did a beautiful printing.
What is this, Chef Yoil?
This Chef Yoel was Yoeli Landau.
The famous Yoeli Landau.
Huh?
The one with the credit card.
The one with the credit card. Yoeli Landau called us and said, I don't care. I need this book.
When did
He
he call
needed
you?
it for a wedding.
His son's wedding.
He just made a wedding. He made his sons. He called me the night before, I need this. I said, and the file wasn't even ready. I said, get us the files. We will make it happen. And we made it happen. However they needed it.
Well, you guys were overnight here?
We shut the bindery down for him.
Really?
Yoeli Landau calls, Custom by ArtScroll wakes up, and takes over the entire bindery to make sure his book, not one, but 2 volumes he did. This is the beauty. This is where the miracle happens, the magic happens over here. This is where we take a final book and we take it and marry it with the cover. But before we can marry with the cover, this machine puts the ribbon on. You see his ribbon?
Oh, wow.
We have all different type of colors. We have green, we have maroon,
Wow.
we have black, we have everything that is needed, every color, brown. The book is finished. After the book gets ribboned, it comes to this machine through here. The books are coming. Over here, it gives it a round head to form it. We have 2 gluing stations over here also. Here where it grabs the ribbon and it puts glue down.
What's the point of grabbing the ribbon? What does it do there?
It grabs the ribbon because the inserter just inserts it. We have to go ahead and take it and paste it down and glue it.
Together.
Over here is where the book gets married together. I personally call it the chuppah station.
Compensation.
You have the cover and the book get combined together.
Right here. That's where the chuppah happens.
The book comes out. It's not formed yet.
That's amazing. That's amazing. This is unreal.
Here the machine presses everything. Presses all the glue and creases.
These machines must cost thousands.
Thousands, try millions.
Millions. Stamp right there, sticker.
As you can see here, finished book.
Wow.
Rashi Shemos.
Unreal. And the stickers, I guess, for the barcode.
The barcode for the stores, yep.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Wow. Where do you store all your ready books, ready Sefarim? Where does it get?
We have an entire warehouse. As you can see back there,
That's another warehouse.
there's a warehouse and a whole shipping department.
And that's where you store the ready
We
stock.
store it and we ship it out.
Wow. How many trucks you own out here? Daily trucks?
We could have at least 10 skids of product going out a day.
Wow. Unreal what's going on in Heaven. Unbelievable.
Over here, we'll take a little detour over here for a second. This is our embellishment department, but it's kind of the custom by ArtScroll. People call, they make bar mitzvahs, wedding events, l'zecher nishmas, in memory of, whatever it is, and they go ahead. They'll take anything of any of our classic books, classic items of a sitter, to a pocket sitter, to a machzer, to interlinear zmiris, or over here you have a Megillah. People
Wow.
giving it around, and they're doing it
With somebody, so you can custom
this one-
stuff happen here.
with different type of,
Embossing.
this is
gold.
stamping, this is custom to a customer. Over here is where the covers are being stamped and embellished. You have a blank cover here, which was embossed already on another machine. And over here is going to put on the colors. This machine is putting on a black on the panel. We'll put this on.
Oh, wow.
And over here puts on the gold.
Wow. Well, look at that. Look at that.
And over here puts the final embellishment on, the gold. This is a Hebrew Gemara, Baba Basra 1.
Unbelievable. Wow.
This is where all the magic happens.
This is where it happens.
And every day we come here and we take pride in what we do. This is for purely for Habatzas Torah.
I say this is the biggest yeshiva in the world.
This is. People ask me all the time, what do I do? I give them the honest answer. I have a sefer in my hand 80% of the day.
It's unbelievable. What's your schus? What did you do that you should be able to work in such a chashuv place? A guy could be working with tires of cars all day, or a guy could be working holding Sefarim all day.
The zechus, like anybody, just do the right thing, work on yourself, and always follow in the path of Torah. Over here, we purchased this machine. It's called a large format printer, specifically for advertisements for the stores.
Wow.
We put this in stores.
Jeez.
Customers pass by, they see all the beautiful stuff
That's
we're
crazy.
doing.
So you don't even make the Sefarim, you make the ads to the Sefarim too
We make
here.
the ads, and we do custom by ArtScroll as well over here.
So if somebody needs a big sign?
you come to us, we'll take care of your needs.
That's amazing.
We have all different types of material.
Different.